Hey everyone, today's the 12th. It's going on about 6:30 at night. I'm putting this on the beginning of my video I'm about to show you because this was our hurricane that we had. It was a stronger one than Andrew, but thank God Andrew went through or we would have been in worse shape because this one was a lot of stronger wind. And yeah, just take a look at it and you will see. You know, it came in the middle of the night when everybody's sleeping. You know, you're up all day, and I am not a night owl. You know, I go to bed with the chickens to get up with the roosters. You know, I've always been like that, and I got to the point where my mom was up in her apartment sleeping. Me and my husband were in here, and the kids were in her old room, which is the safest place to be. And I thought, you know what? I'm just going to sleep. Going to go to sleep because I mean there's nothing. What am I going to do? And I'd wake up every now and then. I'd hear something thunking or hitting. Thank God that's why you put those boards up, because a lot of those branches you're going to see by my pool is what was slamming into my windows and on the roof, and the wind was blowing them around. And yeah, at the time I didn't know it was branches. I'm thinking it's a tree or something, you know. But basically, everybody came out through it pretty much okay, except for the people by the river. You know, God, I worry more about the snakes and the gators crawling through there. You know, I just couldn't handle that. And I do hope that this may be my last hurricane. My teeth are doing good. First day I wore them in my mouth. Ate a grilled cheese sandwich today, very slow. I had to pull it and eat it, you know, wasn't biting it. I am actually doing very well. I don't know if I'm doing better than usual or right on track. You know, I've been eating, I had spaghetti and meatballs last night for dinner. I ate that. I didn't ate elbows, and you know, it took a little bit longer, but I could do it. Even some bread and butter. Yeah, but I've been eating a lot of mashed potatoes, corned beef and hash, puddings, yogurts. Because I can't seem to be eating a lot of hard stuff all day because my mouth is sore just from eating the dinner last night. And I think that might, you know, because it was a little bit, or not the dinner, the grilled cheese sandwich. I did the grilled cheese sandwich this afternoon. And I think maybe, you know, but so I'm working up to it. I'm doing pretty good. I will get it one way or another. I'm probably going to call the dentist Monday. So get everybody to let themselves get together. I'm hoping to have our electricity soon. I've not heard from the RV people, and I'm not really worried about it because I do have another plan, which I'm going to make a video on that. And yeah, so done for the night. You know, we have the generator. We're running our generators. My generator came on. We lost electricity. I'm not even sure when we lost electricity. My Honda portable one is doing my air conditioner in my bedroom and my fan and the television, and then the other one is hot water and stuff. We just put it on for a little bit, turn it off overnight, you know, to the refrigerators and everything, because it does use propane quite a bit. We've already used a little over half by letting it run, thinking we need to get electricity by now, but that didn't happen. So, but other than that, we're doing fine. We have survived, and thank you for all your prayers, and we did great. No damage at all. You know, a few I think those branches you saw by the pool, you'll see by the pool, I think it was all leftover from Matthew. Just, you can't get them out of the tree, and the wind and storm took them down. So, yeah, so everybody did good. Nobody that I know has done, you know, I know I have a couple friends down that way that had their houses flooded, but, you know, it's not the first time. They know the drill, so I would be like, but they seem very calm, cool, collect, but they've been through it enough. But, yeah, so I'm happy it's over. We don't want any more. Please do not send any more this way. Can't take it. But I will be making a video about my plan B, because I probably just don't qualify for a loan for a luxury vehicle. Plain and simple. So, I don't know. But I will be talking to you soon about that. I'm going to go. You all have a good night. I'm hoping that I can get this uploaded tonight. This is Tuesday. This is Tuesday, September 12th. I'm hoping to get it up. Yeah, and I will be getting on another video as soon as I can. I know there's going to be a little bit of cleanup to do in this house for a few days. Once the electric goes back on, I'll be busy with that. But I will talk to you all soon, and I will be keeping you updated. And thank you for all your prayers and your thoughts. And all my hope, the people that I know that stayed in Florida, like Carol, I hope you're okay. You know, I can't even think right now. Yeah, I hope everybody that's in Fit to Love Me, who lives in Atlanta, hope she did okay. You know, so yeah, so little by little I'm seeing on YouTube these people are doing okay, so I'm happy for that. So y'all have a good night, and I'll talk to you soon. 11 o'clock, and this is what we got. We are going to be very fortunate if it keeps going the way it is, because it's going towards the west. Pray for the people in the west, because they need the prayer. But I think we're going to be just fine. It has not even really started for us. It's just beginning. I think at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, we'll be feeling stronger winds up until tomorrow, about the same time, I think. I don't know, I'm getting so drowsy that I don't know. So, that's the 11 o'clock update. I had my teeth out because they hurt. The bottoms hurt bad. I cannot wear them until that piece is cut down. There's no way. I've tried. So, I've been wearing the tops when I eat, which helps a little bit. Very soft stuff. And I do put them in, but I just took them out a little while ago. Probably talking funny, trying to talk clearly. Oh, I got my little Barney right here. Barney, he's the one that blows the porch. He does not want to come in, but I got to bring him in. Fred's sleeping by the in the office, and Miss Kitty is in the living room on her little pillow. A.M. It's 10 o'clock in the afternoon, September 10th. We're getting gusts. I'll show you these trees up here in a minute. Let me back up so they'll start going. The rain will start pouring down again. We were doing pretty good with the way the tornado, or the hurricane, here it goes, was going, but it's starting to go towards the north. I just hope it doesn't go way towards the north, because we're doing pretty good. I don't think it's going to be as bad as we think it's going to be, because it's getting ready to hit land right now, Marcos Island on the west side. The people on the west side are going to get beat up, unfortunately. Whew. But it's turning more north now as it's hitting land. That I didn't want to see, so now I got to keep an eye out more. Because if it keeps going, we could get a lot more higher winds. We shouldn't get no more than 75 mile an hour winds, they said. But that can change with the thing going towards north now. Look at them up there. This is actually mild. I don't mind this. We can do this all day long. This is like a bad storm you get. You know, you get a thunder rain storm. Alright, when it gets a little worse, if it does, maybe it won't. I will. In the morning. I think the worst of it's over. May get a little strong winds, but I think the worst of it's over. Got a lot of tree limbs down. Trees are all cleaned out. Still dark, can't see too much. Sky looks pretty evil. Yeah. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Almost 8 o'clock, about quarter till. We skated through it pretty good. We're still getting gusts. But I don't think it's nothing we can't handle. Just got to be careful because I do see some loose limbs. And the wind could knock them out. So, you know, you need to be careful. So I'm not going outside yet. And my cats drove me crazy all night long, wanting to go out. They're fighting and fussing and picking. And finally, when I opened up the porch, the other two run back into the house, and this one keeps running out, looking and running out and back and forth. But it was scary last night. The wind. I mean, it happened in the middle of the night, so I got no footage of it because I was not going outside. It was there. You heard stuff thumping and hitting, and there must have been these branches, these branches that were hitting upside the house. But you don't know that. And they forgot to put a block in front of the door, and I think I heard that whacking back and forth. Well, my mom just... Oh yeah. Well, it did. Look, at the rain came in, and there's smoking, and people that smoke. No, the whole rug all the way around is all wet, all the way around. All wet. This was stuff that was in the yard. Yeah. See how we're still getting some gust here. But it's pretty much over. Probably another hour and a half. See, up. This should be slowing down. Ooh, we get no gust. Ooh, ooh, see? I'm being brave. I'm doing this for you guys. Oh my God. That's so scary. Look at some trees. And just imagine, last night the wind was stronger than this. I can only imagine what it looked like out here. Yeah. This was a pretty bad storm. This was a strong storm.
We didn't get a lot of rain, but we got a lot of wind.
Yeah, it wasn't a lot of rain, but a lot of wind. All right, I'm gonna go a little bit. Just lay in there. Oh, I wouldn't dare turn on the TV. Are you kidding me?
Well,
I had my phone, so I kept checking the radar on my phone. We're on antenna right now.
Oh, I don't have a TV.
No, you don't have antenna. All right, I got it stuck to my window. Yeah, we do have generator. I have my fan. See, my ceiling fan is on. I turned the air conditioner off for a little bit.
Is my refrigerator
and our refrigerator. Yeah. You sure it sounds like a train.
Wind gusts.
Oh God, look at those wind gusts.
Wouldn't think the air could get so much joy.
Isabella, you gotta get in the house. Cass is smart enough.
Well, she probably had to be.
She's already been out. She's being nosy. She said, what is this? I know. It's danger. Danger, Will Robinson. Danger. Look at her club right through it. She's such a nincompoop. She wants you to open the door for her. Oh, I thought she was wanting the door open. Come on, in the house.
Red light, everybody duck.
Yeah,
that was in the submarine.
Damien ducked under.
And Damien.
He was funny that way.
And you really weren't underwater. You know what I mean? Oh no, that wasn't the pirate call. Oh, he really thought they were shooting at each other. That was a perfect age 7. That's a perfect age to take them to Disney. I can't believe that fence is still up.
Donna lost part of her fence to the other side and fell off. I hope we're safe sitting here. It is nice and cool though.
Yeah, it is.
Not much humidity. It's freaky looking out there. Poor Miss Kitty just don't know what's going on. The other 2 cats have not come out of the house. I cannot get over that. Look. Speak of the devil, look who just showed up. Look who just showed up. It's the biggest scaredy cat. Marnie, what happened? Oh, I'm going back in. This ain't for me. This just is not for me. You know what I'm doing it.
And my cat just acts like nothing going on. But then of course, speaking of
Right. We have 6 cats in this house and 1 dog.
Shove her out of the porch and check the
No.
You think I would do
No, I don't think you would. Fred, I guess, isn't going to come out.
that? No.
He's like, no, I think I'll stay in another 4 days.
No, I've been watching it.
Oh my God. It's like it's getting worse. See, this is what we're getting. Now we're probably getting another squall. See how dark it got? A minute ago it was just a blazing. Every time I turn the camera off, it's the deep stuff. Ow, just hit my elbow. You probably hear the generator running. A lot of branches fell. That up there fell up there, a big chunk off that thing there. Wow. At least we ate all our muscadines before the hurricane. We got like 3-4 big bowls of them. They were delicious. It's winding down, but they're saying that there's still some rain gusts and stuff, so I'm just going to stay put before I go out. Gail's house made it. Her house is a wreck. It's one step from being condemned. She's off the power again. Tarp stayed on. Oh, it's so funny. Wow. Oh, look at the tree over here. They got damage over here.
That's Ken's.
She didn't get too much in her yard. Matthew brought it all hers down last time. She hadn't gotten her roof fixed yet. She's got a new boyfriend. She ain't got time for that. Not bad. It was worse, Matthew, because a lot of big trees came down. But it was good. We got rid of them all already before the hurricane. to these big trees here. Is that where Dino stayed?
Yeah.
Boy, look at all the trees around his house. Wasn't he worried? I think you did okay. You didn't stay in your trailer?
No, we stayed here. I called him about 7 o'clock last night. He came down and goes, "Hi, girl." But yeah, he's like, dude, your trailer. He goes, I don't trust it. And I was like, okay, so get back in there. But yeah, it's just like, damn, man, Jesus Christ. This is the only tree that came down.
Yeah.
I know, all the trees are gone. We are about to come up to a road that is, the whole back neighborhood is underwater. And as you'll see up here on the left of this is a canal, so we have snakes and alligators that float freely around there for all those people that live down there. This whole back section of my neighborhood is underwater because it's like on a peninsula. You know, that's what you get, you know, comes with living on the water in Florida. And you'll see that most of these neighborhoods down here